Mabuhay, maayong hapon sa tanan akong followers, viewers, ug supporters. Guys, ako si Alexi Fernandez ng Davao City. At this moment guys, na ako sa Coast Cafe Restaurant. Located siya sa Shanghai Matina Playa, Davao City. This Coast Cafe Restaurant, ang produkto nila pasta, cake, coffee, drinks, juices, all kinds of pasta and all kinds of cake. Ito yung produkto nila guys. This is carbonara. So I am inviting everyone, sa mga friends na ko, followers and viewers, please come and visit Coast Cafe Restaurant. Very good quality ilang produkto guys. So yummy. This is carbonara. This is cafe latte. Thank you everyone and God bless.